Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. How you doing, family? I hope you guys had a good Valentine's Day yesterday. Sorry I didn't mention anything on the videos. Guys, I kind of forgot it was Valentine's Day yesterday, but I remembered. It was a great night, and we got to hang out with the family and do some fun things. Okay, let's get into EOS.io, which someone corrected us. That's actually the official name is EOS.io. Pretty cool. It's also their website URL too. Okay, guys, is EOS just dead, or are we actually going to move up here? I'm going to show you guys some predictions of how we have headed up hundreds of percentages from this area before, and I think this can happen again. So let's just dive on here. Let's have a good time looking at this. We are currently 106 for 106 wins, guys. We have never lost a crypto trade ever trading, and this is why we are a channel that a lot of people like trading with. We have never lost a trade. I will show you guys in the second half of this video, throughout the video, how to get into our trading program to trade with us, how to take all of our trades, as well as access all the indicators and the metrics we're going to be going over today to make you guys better traders and to honestly just make you guys more money, okay? Let's take a look at this. Start up here with the trend dashboard. Retail trader indicators, what are they looking like this morning? Well, majority of them are actually bullish, and I think that's why we're starting to see this move up here, and I think as retail traders wake up this morning, we could continue to see this move up here. I do think by Friday, we have an argument here where we could be seeing the quarters theory level hit of 275. So I will be watching 275 this Friday for a possible move back up. Bitcoin starting to move up. Ethereum starting to move up. The bull market cycle it's starting to move up here, guys. I have people telling me, they're like, Travis, can you please talk about the crypto winter that's coming? I'm like, guys, if the crypto winter comes any further for EOS and like, let's say VeChain, guys, there's going to be nothing left of these coins. Like, I am getting the feeling that we're starting to thaw out and summertime is like here for some of these altcoins, okay? I know that's contrary to a lot of beliefs out there, guys, but look at the price structures on some of these coins. You guys are like, the crypto winter's still gonna come. I'm like, oh man, guys, like, you need to stop taking like what people are saying and like look at the coins. Okay, like some of these are at so low structures, like ADA is at $1. That's like the base level on Coinbase. Like if a crypto winter comes, there's gonna be nothing left of some of these altcoins. So my thought and theory of this is that we're actually thawing out right now in the crypto winter, and we're actually starting to see movements back up. We are seeing the overall bullish cycle starting to happen on a lot of these coins with the prices moving up here, okay? So I just want to show that to you guys. I'm not trying to be like rude or anything like that. I'm giving you guys this analysis of like, I think we could start heading up here soon. And that's what I saw in Bitcoin. It's why we entered in $49,000 at the low here, and we've moved up ever since then. Okay, I think it's a thawing out if we want to jokingly call it the crypto winter. Okay, let's take a look at this down here. Price risk while money flow and the trend exhaustion. Okay, well, let's look at this. On Bitcoin, on Ethereum, we were able to predict this very well. When the trend exhaustion is low and when the well money flow is low, guys, we're looking for moves back up. This is exactly what we're getting right now. I love this. It's following suit, okay? Previous time we saw the trend exhaustion high, we saw it high up here, and we saw it high up here. Guess what, guys? The well money flow is high here in these levels as well. These two peaks were perfectly called. These drops were called with these two indicators. You guys need to have these on your side when you're trading. You guys are like, okay, I'm in a trade. When should I exit? You should be looking for exits when the trend exhaustion is in the top red section and the well money flow is high. Do you guys see that here? If you are just looking for that, you are going to have so much more accuracy of calling the tops in crypto before you see moves back down. What does that mean? It means more money in your pocket, okay? You guys are like, all right, well, that's exiting. What about entering? Okay, if you guys see the trend exhaustion in the bottom red section and the well money flow is at least moving down, that's where we're looking for moves back up. Great job, guys. You made money there. If you guys got in down here, you're looking at these lower levels being hit. Trend exhaustion low, well money flow low. We're looking for this reversal back up. Great job. Some of you guys are already in the profit. You did this over here. You're in the profit, okay? I'll show you guys how we're trading over here with good risk management and buy limits, but I'm showing you guys because a lot of people are requesting, Travis, how do you scalp with these indicators? Well, there you guys go. I'm showing you if you just wait for the trend exhaustion to be in the bottom red section, well money flow low, you guys will start seeing the movements back up. You guys can scalp for 1, 2, 3, 4%, and then you guys can get out of the market. Very, very good and powerful indicators to use for that. They're in the description. Okay, let's go over this, guys. Let's take a look at the charts for EOS. IO. All right, guys. In 10 days, we are upping our membership price here to $95. I just want to make sure you guys know this, make a note of this. It's $49 now. We're going to grandfather everybody in. Everybody who's with us right now, you're going to get grandfathered in. You will not see your membership go up in price. So everyone who gets in today and before February 25th, it's 10 days left. You guys will get access to all the metrics, access to all the Telegram channel updates of the calls that I'm making for exiting trades, as well as when I'm entering into coins myself. the inner circle, and all the master classes we have. Okay, once you guys do that, come over to Trade Metrics and Setups, scroll on down to EOS, and let's take a look at this. All right, let's take a look at EOS charts today. I don't know if I showed this to you guys already. I don't think I did, but our account's currently at 140,587, which is only only $9,500 away from break even. I think this is close to around 5 to 6% down right now. We're not down hardly anything. This is extremely healthy. While most accounts are down 30 to 40%, still we're about very closely to get break even on our entire account. This is because of the risk management, the indicators we're using to exit, and the diversification of different coins. You guys will learn all this on this channel, okay? Subscribe if you guys like what you see, okay? EOS charts. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in 10 minutes here. We came from an excited area in the emotional index. This shows me that retail traders were excited up here. Another reason why, guys, look at this, the pairing of this. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. Over here we see we're excited. Guys, this is a place where you need to be looking to exit your long trades, okay? Why have we not exited? Because we're waiting to get back in the profit. For those of you guys who entered down here, you're in the profit, okay? I entered in down here as well. So I've got some money down here. We're doing pretty well. We're going to wait to exit that until we get back into the profit. We'll probably take around 50 to 60% profit on that trade. And I'll call that out in Telegram. Again, I'll call it out in Telegram. So let's move down here. To actually take a look at this real quick, we're sitting in the neutral section. So as this starts moving down, this is where I see retail traders get very nervous and they start getting anxious in the market. But this is where Wells institutions buy. They buy the fear and the anxiety of retail traders. Let me prove this to you. Long versus short trades over here. Short trades were increasing over here as the price moved up. And guess what? The price moved back down. That makes sense. Now what are we seeing? An increase here of long trades buying the dip. Okay. Short trades come out. They drop the market. Awesome. We see long trades come out here too, and that sees a pump back up. Short trades actually, if you guys see this over here, short trades actually rode this down into the dip, which is kind of interesting. I don't know what people were thinking there. Anyways, whatever. Maybe they thought it was going to go down further because normally what you see is you see short trades increase around this area right here. And we actually saw short trades increase over here. So maybe they're thinking around this area it's going to head back down further. I don't know if EOS can go down too much further because it's basically at the bottom. Okay. I'll show you guys some predictions in here of how we can go up hundreds of percentages. I won't miss that, okay? I'll do it in maybe just give me 1 second. I'll show that to you. I want to show this to you first. Actually, I'll do this and then I'll show you guys the predictions of where we could head it. It's ridiculous. Okay, market cap strength. This is where I think, yeah, it's like, okay, what's going on here? Let me explain this to you guys if you don't know what this metric looks at. It might look weird or it may look cool to you guys. You're like, oh, it looks cool. What does it mean? All right, this shows us the overall percentage of the market cap that's taken up by EOS. This includes Bitcoin, seriously, I just said dude, dude. All of the coins out there in the crypto market cap, what percentage is allocated to EOS? Okay, it's very, very small over here. If you go straight over to the left here, it is like 0.14% of the entire market cap. Here's the point. It is obviously dropping out here. This shows a decreased interest in EOS. Why? Because money is moving to other coins and tokens besides EOS because it's moving down in the overall market cap. Now, I'll say this, however, when a coin's market cap goes down like this and people aren't paying attention, it's under the radar, this is where I've seen these coins explode. It's where people aren't looking at them and they're like, oh, we're going to move on. We forgot about you. And then they absolutely explode, guys. And you're like, I don't think that's going to happen. Okay, well, let me prove it to you how many times this actually has happened and why I'm still holding this as my #1 coin. You guys ready for some ridiculous predictions here? And they're not just predictions. They're like, this has actually happened already in the past. Okay. This is a crazy video if you guys are watching this. See this dotted line here? That's the live price. All right, well, we've shot up 945% before at this level. 945%, guys. All right. And you guys are like, no, that's just the original market cycle and it's pumped. I'm like, okay, well, it headed down after that and then it went up 536%. And then it moved all the way back down. Everyone thought it was dead. And then it pumped up 391%. And they're like, no, there's no way that can happen again. 158%. Okay, now we know EOS is dead. And then it pumps 544%. Okay, now people are like, oh, it's dead, right? No, guys, I think EOS is it does this cycle here, and we have some of the craziest amount of profits to be made on maybe any altcoin on EOS here. Okay, let me give a realistic prediction. This is not going to be clickbait, so you guys can see this. I'm not going to throw out a 536 thing in the thumbnail on YouTube, but I believe we could be seeing at a minimum. Let me take one of the lowest ones. There are 1, 2, 3 levels higher than this. I think a move up to about 400% profit is doable, and this didn't take too long. So let me give us a price range on this. I'm giving you guys just a full update on this. Basically, from where we're at, how long did it take us to move up here? It took us 174 days. Okay. Obviously, that's about 6 months. Could we see maybe by quarter 3 of this year, before Thanksgiving, before all the holidays, doing about 400%? Can you guys imagine what that's going to do in your accounts? 400% this year is what I think we could see. If not, maybe a lot higher, maybe up to 500. But I think by the end of this year, we could see a 400% gain. This is why I'm holding this coin, and I think it's going to be one that you guys want to hold as well. I will show you guys how to get into a trade setup with these metrics. Let's continue real quick, and I'll show you guys how to get in here, because you guys are like, man, I want part of that pie. Yeah, I do too. It's why it's my number one holding over here for EOS. Okay, trades in favor over here. Let's take a look at this. We're seeing that this is, pushed up into the neutral area. We got a little bit higher here, getting closer to short trades, and then moving back down. These structures, honestly, guys, are very small, so it's not like pushing us up here too high. When we start getting up here to where we're in these levels of like, man, great short trades, like, look, the market is just gonna tank right there, like tanking down, tanking back down. So that's what we really need to be watching for. Take a look at this. Well, institutional smart money over here for EOS. Well, this is interesting. We saw the accumulation of short trades over here from smart money, and guess what happened? They dropped the price out. Okay, boohoo. No, that's not that we have to look at. Let's look at this. What are we seeing now? This is exciting. We're seeing long trades come out over here. They're acquiring the long trades on the dip, and now we're seeing the repercussions of this and prices moving up. We saw this happen over here. Look at these two huge metric bars over here, calling the bottom over here, and then we started moving back up. This is what I saw in the market, and this is where I entered in the $49,000, and we're still riding that money up right now, and we're in the profit. Okay? Again, follow the Telegram channel, and I'm giving you guys access to everything I enter into. I know these metrics very well, guys. I coded these myself, like the indicators and the metrics, I coded. So when you guys get an update in Telegram where I'm like, hey, you might want to put some money in the market, this is what I'm doing. This isn't to be arrogant, but I think you guys will enjoy what we're doing over here if you guys follow what we're doing. We've never lost a crypto trade, okay? Support and resistance prices. We not only have we never lost a trade, guys, I think we have the healthiest account in the market right now. So while people are down 30 to 40%, when the market goes up 30 to 40%, we're going to be up, 35 to maybe 30%, while everyone is at break even. Guys, that's tens of thousands of dollars for us who are trading with us over here, okay? Yeah, man, it's like this is so healthy to trade this way. That's why we have hedge funds contacting us now. We're like, how do we do this? I'm like, yes, I can teach you how to do this. Not a financial advisor, by the way. Okay, take a look at this. Moving up here to about 270, 277. That is where we're looking at that level. It's exactly where I'm looking at as far as structure high. It's at 275, which I mentioned to you guys. I think we could hit by Friday. I move back down. I think we are done coming down to this level down here. I think we're done at $2. I think we're going to start moving up here from $2. That's my feeling that I'm seeing here, okay? Look at this dollar cost average entries, guys, and we'll get you into a trade. This is showing us that we've come down here pretty far, and now we're looking for the move back up. Great job for you guys who entered this yesterday. I also called this out in Telegram yesterday. If you guys were following me, I said, guys, everybody who took the trades with me on 88 Doge and EOS, when I entered the $49,000, I'm exiting the lowest buy limit, and I'm putting it into the market right now with a market order. I called this yesterday. I said, I believe this market's going to start heading back up. Everyone who did that yesterday, you are now in the profit for those trades. Great job for, again, following the Telegram channel. Okay, let's take a look at the exit points here. You guys are seeing that when this red bar came out here, we saw the exits, and then that's when we saw the drop back down, so that called it great. Okay, let's get you guys into a trade setup, and let's end this video here because I want to, we'll come up with another video later. Okay, trade setup is down here. I want to keep it private for our members. You guys are obviously paying for this, so I want to keep it private. Let's take a look at this, however. Come over here to trade metrics and setups, and we're going to click Bitcoin. I'm going to show you guys how to do this on the Bitcoin chart because this might be updated right now. Let's go all the way down to the bottom. We are officially updated, guys. These are official buy limits for Bitcoin, so you can look at this. This is going to be the same thing for EOS. EOS price structure is obviously going to look different in white, but there's still 4 buy limits. Here's how you guys trade with us. Go to EOS today or any of our coins. Take the amount that you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions of $250. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. 250, 250, 250, 250. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit in green for 100% exit. That's all you guys are doing for Bitcoin and all of our trades. You guys will see this, the exact same thing for all of our coins today. That's what you guys want to do. Now, how do you guys get, I've said this so many times in this video, Telegram channel. Get into the Telegram channel, guys. Your membership will unlock this link, which will give you access to the Telegram channel. Once you guys have that, get in here because I'm calling exits for you guys over here on Telegram so you guys can be able to take these profits with me. We are about to hit our 107th win, and it's probably going to be on Avalanche. Once that is exited, we just won Avalanche, guys, by the way. It's our last trade we won. Now we're back into a trade, and now we're going to win another trade. Like, guys, sign up and start taking trades so you can make this money. It's pretty simple, all right? Very, very simple. Okay, last thing I want to share with you guys, and we'll end this video. The indicator sell we have going on. You guys are getting 82% off all of our indicators here. This is a one-time purchase. It is not a monthly purchase at all. It's a one-time purchase. You get access to everything. All three indicators that I use every single morning, the trend exhaustion, price to swell money flow, trend dashboard, how we predict drops, how we predict pumps, guys. Those are the three that you guys want. Best thing to do right now, those are 40% off. Get the bundle pack. You'll save yourself 42% by just getting the bundle pack. Best deal you guys can ever get. We are going to be upping this price, so make sure you guys get into this now. On top of that, the three that you get that you need anyways, you're going to get 6 more indicators down here that you guys can use on crypto, stocks, and Forex. 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded before. You guys are going to love these. They're really awesome. Come in here, watch the videos, click these links, watch videos to all these, and then just buy whatever you want today. It's like a candy shop. Buy it up, guys. The bundle pack is going to give you everything. It's going to be the best deal, hands down. So that's in the description. All right, guys. Ending this video here, overall looking at EOS, I think obviously we're looking more bullish here. I think we can continue back up here to hit about 175 by Friday. I think is not an unrealistic prediction whatsoever. I showed you guys down here, well, institutional smart money, they're starting to buy up again. I bought yesterday. There's people buying into the market. So overall, based off the metrics and the indicators, I think the overall trend is going to keep moving up, but like I said already, watch this. When we hit the top red section, we're probably going to see a little bit of a move back down. So we're going to see a move up, probably a little bit of move back down, and then that's where I'm looking for the continuation back up here, because once we hit the top red section, these indicators are calling these drops like 75 to 80% accuracy. So yes, I'm going to expect a drop here when we get up in this area. But once we do that and it creates a healthy higher low formation, we could be moving straight back up to hit 175. My apologies, guys. 275. I think I've said 175 a few times in this video, so I apologize about that. 275 by Friday is what I'm looking at as far as the target. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Everything you need is in the description. The indicators are there. Make sure you guys get your membership before it goes up in 10 days. Come trade with us, and you guys are going to have a blast and take advantage of everything we do next year for basically half off. Every single month. You guys can stay here forever if you want. God bless you guys. I'll see you later and have a good one. Bye, guys.